All right, so if you're using Gamma AI but only sticking to basic features, yeah, you're missing out on a lot. In this video, I'll walk you through the advanced features step by step. First, quick idea, Gamma can do more than just slides. It can generate content, design layouts, and automate workflows. Start with AI generation. You can create full documents or presentations using prompts. Just describe your topic, and Gamma builds everything automatically. Next, smart layouts. Gamma automatically adjusts design, spacing, and structure. You can refine content using built-in AI tools, expand, shorten, or rewrite sections instantly. Add interactive elements like embeds, links, and dynamic sections. Work with your team in real time, editing and commenting together. Share your work instantly with a link. No downloads needed. Save your work as templates so you can reuse it later. Combine everything into workflows, from idea to final presentation. Before finishing, refine everything for clarity, design, and impact. So yeah, once you use these advanced features, Gamma becomes a complete productivity tool. And if this helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.